I've been doing workout, I've been eating supplement, I've been taking care of my nutrition.
Basic upkeep by going to the gym regularly. I would say I take care of myself pretty well.
The most important thing is actually when people see us. Dry skin, dull skin, and then it look like you have taken care of yourself, but not everything.
Some pigmentations, like age spots, and the fine lines are not as fine as they used to be. I am kind of stuck when it comes to skin on my face.
I tried a lot of supplements. All are from the natural ingredients.
I actually started buying a lot more products to try.
I put all the lotion. I have 13 cream, and I have my ritual of how I'm gonna do it every day.
And they worked for a while, and then after that, it kind of stopped working.
Trying so many facials, hydration one and everything, but I still didn't get the thing that I looking for. I still want to look like me, but I want the fresh look. I just want my skin to look healthy.
I'm not someone that looks for zero wrinkles or overly photoshopped face. I still want my face to look natural, my skin to look natural.
Using highly pure and effective polynucleotide gels, PLINEST stimulates fibroblasts to produce collagen to promote hydration of the skin, to improve the skin quality of the face, neck, scalp, body, and even private parts. Looking for something natural to improve your skin quality? PLINEST is the thing for you.
It seemed the most natural one so far. So no Botox, no actual facelifts. That's why I decided to go with PLINEST.
For the last 3 treatment that I did, I don't have any bruises after that. I actually can go out to work right after.
The pain level was definitely very variable, nothing too crazy. The effects after the treatment, I would say, is my skin's definitely brighter. The texture has improved.
I don't have that, like young auntie, you don't have a line and everything. No, I still have, but it's a very fine line for a 40 years old like me. Without makeup, I can just go out like that. And I feel fresh, I feel happy, yes.
So I've cut out quite a lot of serums and creams that I had. So now it's just keeping it as simple as possible. And the effects are definitely very apparent. If a friend were to ask, I would definitely recommend PLINEST.